This video is about the VSEPR theory. The shapes of molecules are extremely important in organic chemistry. Although there are multiple theories that can be used to figure out the shape of a molecule, VSEPR theory is probably the easiest to use to figure out the structures, especially ballpark structures. So how did we apply VSEPR theory? We apply 3 rules. 1. Electron domains repel each other, therefore stay as far apart from each other as possible. What is an electron domain? Electron domains are wherever the electrons are located, i.e. at bonds, or lone pairs, or single electrons. Second, we go with the concept that lone pairs repel more than bonds. And finally, double and triple bonds are single electron domains, not multiple electron domains. With this, we can figure out practically all the shapes we need. The standard shapes you need to remember for organic chemistry are linear, bent, trigonal, planar, and tetrahedral. The other structures might also make appearances, but these are the basic ones you will deal with the most. Here are some practice problems. Pause now. And here are the answers.